Hello students, today we will solve some problems on landfilling. So as you all have learned now what is landfill, what are the different types of landfills. Now we will solve problem on how to design a sanitary landfill. So here the first problem is design a sanitary landfill to serve population of 31,000 with the following data. So there is, in an area there is a 31,000 population and the parameters given are the solid waste generation is given, that is 1.9 kg per capita per day. So here the waste generation is given, that is daily per capita per day generation of the waste is 1.9 kg. Then one more thing given is compacted density of solid waste in a landfill. So here it is 474.6 kg per meter cube. Then average depth of the compacted solid waste is also given, that is 3.1 meters. So here we have to design a sanitary landfill. So for design we need to find what is the area required for the particular data. Okay, so first we will see what is the generation rate, solid waste generation rate. So how we will get solid waste generation rate is the population into the amount of solid waste generated per capita per day. So here it is given in the problem that the solid waste generation is 1.9 kg per capita per day and the population is 31,000. So here if you multiply these two, you will get 58,900 kg per day. So this much is the daily per day, this much amount of waste is generated. Then next thing is to find the volume. So how we'll get volume? So volume, the formula is waste generated divided by density. So waste generated just now we calculated is 58,900 divided by the density is given in the problem, that is the compacted density of solid waste in landfill, that is 474.6 kg per meter cube. So if you divide these, you will get the volume, that is 124.1 meter cube. So this is the volume. So you have to be careful about the units. Then next we need to find the area. So as you all know, area is volume upon depth. So we know the volume just now we calculated is 124.1 meter cube divided by the depth is given in the problem, average depth of the compacted solid waste, it is 3.1 meter. So here you have substituted the values and you got the answer as 40.03 meter square per day. So that is the area required on a daily basis. Then we need to find the area per year, because if you construct a landfill, it will not be for 1 day or 1 month or so. It will be for minimum 5 years. So 5 years you are going to dump the waste into the landfill. So such that you have to design. So this we have got answer for per day. Then this much amount of area is required per day, that is 40.03 meter square per day. Now we will calculate the area per year. So per year how much area is required? So how we'll get that? So the area into 365 days of a year. So daily we are putting the waste into the landfill, so we are multiplying by 365. So what answer we got is 14,611.07 meter square per year. So this is the area required per year. Now we'll assume that a rectangular section with L is to B ratio as 2:1. That is length into breadth ratio as 2:1. If we have to assume this, then if you assume this, we know the formula, that is area is equal to 2B square if its ratio is 2:1. So from this we can find out what is the value of B. So B square is half of this, that is 7305.53. Then square root of this will give you the value of B. So value of B is 85.47 meters. Now what is L you can find out. So L is 2B. So 2B is, the value of B is 85.47 into 2, that is 170.94. So it is approximately 171 and this is 85. So the overall dimensions what we need is 171 by 86 meter. So this is the required dimensions and this is the area required per year. So this is the first problem which will be asked in almost all question papers for around 5 to 8 marks. Hello students, today we will solve